सिसील, म्हाका दिसता एक दुखद घटना आसा तालिगांव खातीर तशेंच गोंया खातीर, कारण एक अशी विमन लिडर आमी पळयतालीं जांचें काम सुद्दां आमी पळयलें आनी तांचे कारकिर्दूय पळयल्ली आसा. आयज तुजी प्रतिक्रिया ह्या वेळार?
Actually, duk bhagta कित्याक when someone is suffering through an illness, I think so. Even if we are in opposition, it's a sad thing because I thought she would recover. कित्याक 12th जुनान हांवें तेका एक्चुअली व्हॉट्सॅप केलेले की सांगपाक की जेनिफर हांवें हें आयकलां म्हणून तूं बरें ना म्हणून आनी किपींग पॉलिटिक्स असायड आय विश यू अ गुड हेल्थ आनी आय विश यू लायक अ स्पिडी रिकवरी. मेसेज घातले हांवें पूण ती मेसेज वचूंक ना कित्याक आय थिंक सो ब्लॉक केलेले म्हाका दिसता बिकॉज एंड दॅट मेसेज इज स्टील ऑन माय फोन. बट ऑल दॅट आय कूड wish for her was good health. As we in politics, we have to raise issues which are concerning our village, and what is right, what is wrong. And I before back in the day when I knew Jennifer, I was working in the aviation industry, so I used to assist the whole family. Jennifer, her husband, her children, they were young that time, and whenever they would fly. So my relationship with that family goes in way before even before I came into politics. And when I got onto the ground level, that's when I started raising my issues because as the right of a citizen, I was doing that. But nevertheless, I think so. When sickness arises, it is sad because we've lost dear ones also through cancer. And having gone through the last stage, and as much as possible, sometimes we hope that miracles happen and things, you know, is cancer something that you can't treat. How much ever you try to do, whatever amount of hospitals you go to, it is something, it eats the body up when you're alive. So people go through a lot of pain and things like that. But I wish the family a heartfelt sympathy, and everyone, all her well wishers also heartfelt sympathy. Yes, because it's good to have women leaders, and another woman leader has passed away, and I just wish the family heartfelt sympathy.
म्हाका दिसता सेसील बाय, म्हाका दिसता ह्यो गजाली खूब म्हत्वाच्यो आसात. जेन्ना आयडियोलॉजीचेर किंवा कितें पटना गोश्टी ताचेर डिबेट करप सदांच एक डेमोक्रेसीचो बरो भाग मानलो वता. आनी अशे वेळार जेन्ना हे आमचे गोंयकारपणाची म्हाका दिसता एक वळख आसा, एक गोंयकार कसो आसचो, जाल्यार म्हाका दिसता जेन्ना कोणी बरो नासता तेन्ना ताज्या बरोबर ताजे स्वास बरे करपा खातीर वावरप ही सुद्दां म्हत्वाची गोश्ट आसा. आनी हांवें सुद्दां काय ते पयलीं तुवें क्रिटिसायज करतना बाकीच्यो गोश्टी सांगतना ह्यो सगळ्यो पळयल्ल्यो आसा. जेन्नाच्यान तांची तब्येत बरी नाशिल्ली तेन्ना तुमचे कारकिर्द पळयला की आमी खंयसर उलोवपाक जाय आनी प्रत्येक फावट ह्यो गोश्टी जाल्ल्यो दिश्टी पडल्या की तुमी कितें तरी सांगला जाल्यार येस तुमच्या आयडियोलॉजीचेर भासाभास जाल्ली आसा, पर्सनल केन्ना काय जावंक नाशिल्लें. सो ह्यो गोश्टी जेन्ना पळयता तेन्ना खरेंच एक गोंयकारपणाचेर आमकां एक प्रावड फिलींग येता. आनी आयज जेन्ना ती ह्या संवसाराक अंतरला तेन्ना सुद्दां तुमी फुडें येवन तांच्या बद्दल बऱ्यो गोश्टी आमकां सांगता, म्हाका दिसता खूब म्हत्वाची गजाल आसा. एक विमेन लिडर म्हणून कशें पळयताले तुमी?
Yes, because when she was not well, actually the news had spread out. The news was out during the CCP election time. आणि जेन्ना news भायर सरलेलो की ती बरी ना आणि ती serious हा. Actually, the news was out like she had passed away. Sorry to say that, but that was the rumors that were going
बरोबर.
around, which was not right. And म्हाका इतले phone calls येलेले की is it true? I said, see, म्हाका खबर ना. It is not out in the news, so let's not like spread wrong rumors out. Like it is something very crucial. And if you notice, a lot of people were asking me to make videos saying that where is Jennifer Monserrate? Why she's not to be seen? Cecile, you should be taking up these issues. And I said she's not well. And when somebody is not well, it is not right to question somebody just because she's a woman leader. And I actually, you've seen me voice up, but certain things we have to have our respects with when someone's seriously not well. And I was hoping that she would get back into good health so that we could be back again, having our conversations how we would normally. Because see, for me, I don't have any ill intention about anyone, but for me it is what I see, and if it's wrong, it's my duty to question. I think so that's a democratic right that I have. Not that I'm into politics. Even if I was not into politics, I would have the democratic right to question. But when someone's not well, and I think so, I made sure that I do not criticize her as to where she is, and there's no representative of her. We didn't have an MLA for a very long time. It was almost like, I think so, 9-10 months that she was not there around. She was not seen around even in the assembly. So I guess that, that something is really not well. And I was continuously inquiring through common people who she's close with and who I know also, like, how is she doing? Is she doing okay? Never in the ill intention to say, like, hope something bad happens. Never till date. Always asked how she was doing. So I think so, as a woman and as a woman leader, and especially when sickness counts, it matters. And all that, I'm sorry to hear that she's no more, and she's gone too soon actually. And Taleigao has lost a woman leader, and I wish again the family. I'm sure they're grieving about her loss, because I think she was very good as a mom. I could always see her children around her, her two boys, and it's sad to miss somebody close to you. I lost my dad during the pandemic, so I know what is the loss when you're very close to a family member. So yeah, it's not good to lose this way.
देव बरे करू. आमच्याबरोबर आशिल्ले सिसिल थँक्यू व्हेरी मच तुमची
Thank you.
प्रतिक्रिया दिल्याबद्दल. देव बरे करू.
तुम्ही पळयतात GNH.
Empowering tribal entrepreneurs in Goa. The GTEGP scheme by EDC Limited provides financial assistance to support self-employment and business ventures among tribal communities. Age limit 18 to 45 years. Project cost up to 25 lakhs. 40% capital subsidy. Margin just at 5%. Call today 7720047279. Apply today at EDC to grow your business.